We are so glad to have you, this was Dr. Chris Marks, as a shepherd in our congregation. Thank you for your vision. Thank you for your steadfast faith and for the way you lead our church, family with grace and wisdom. En dit is jy. Your leadership is a true blessing for all of us. Thank you for the way you make our church encouraging in faith, building place. You encouraging make us church a faithful building place. En dit is jy, dokter. We are so lucky to have you in our life. Thank you for making us, Pastor and Pastor Betty, dedication and your service, your wisdom, your leading, your guidance. You've been so meaningful to everything in our life. En dan vir Pastor Betty. Betty is a shepherd with a heart of gold, guiding young and old with firm, strong hand, strict, but with compassion, wisdom, so much care. She tends to the souls with so much love to share. Her words are sweetly and yet firm. And that's bringing hope, also corrections. With every step, she walks in faith, but her love to God proclaims a fire she won't tame, with a heart pure and kind. En dan is daar een vir julle saam. In our honor to stand here today, to thank you for your incredible service, both of you. You have a unique calling, and you embody the very spirit of a devoted shepherd in a way that inspires all of us. Thank you for your grace you bring to our lives, your warm smile and genuine care for every one of us in this church. We see the strength, the possess, especially in your navigation. En terwyl ek hierdie doen, gee die Here vir my 'n woord, 'n visie vir hierdie kerk. En ek het dit vir Pastoor Betty oorgegee. Dit was Woensdagnag. Laasnag maak die Here my weer wakker en hy sê vir my, ek moet dit vir julle gee voor almal. Ek sê, Here, hoekom? Hy sê, want jy was een van hulle wat deur hulle hande is waar jy is vandag. So ek wil vir julle sê, met die navigation, gee die Here vir my, ek wil nou net op hom kom. Ok, en skielik sien ek dit, 'n groot stelsel van die navigator, wat jy in julle hand, in die Here word, in die inligtings, wat julle ingesit het, in hierdie, for him crucified. Nie net hier nie, maar op julle bladdens, sê die Here. Dit gaan word soos wat Sarita laasweek gesê het, 'n hospitaal. Dit gaan word genesings, beradings, studies, opleidings op alle vlakke. Sê die Here, julle navigeerder, gaan ons in groter stelsels sit, waarvan ons weet.